This is 9 News.
Protests are mounting this week in support of Mahmoud Khalil. He is the Palestinian protester and organizer at Columbia University. He is now being held at an ICE facility right here in Louisiana after having his green card revoked. A New York judge ruled that the federal government can't deport Khalil immediately. And before that can happen, there's even a legal fight over where his hearing will even take place. Our Liam Combs reports it could be right here.
Greg, speaking with Attorney General Liz Murrill, she tells me today that not only does the president have broad legal authority to deport this Columbia University student, but also that his deportation hearing could very well likely happen right here in Louisiana where he's being held.
I think there's some efforts to try and block that from occurring up in New York, and there seems to be some attempts to try and have him transferred back to New York. I don't think that's legally proper.
Shortly after Mahmoud Khalil was arrested by federal immigration authorities last weekend, President Trump posted this on Truth Social, calling Khalil a terrorist sympathizer.
They have a basis for doing what they're doing in the law because there are specific conditions for him to keep his visa or his green card. In this case, he's got a green card.
Murrill says, given Khalil's conduct on Columbia's campus,
this is a nationwide movement.
It won't be hard for the government to prove he violated those terms, specifically a rarely used piece of immigration law that says you can be deported if you act against U.S. foreign policy. Louisiana Senator John Kennedy weighed in, backing up the Trump administration's claims.
Under the Immigration and Naturalization Act, if you support a terrorist organization, you can be deported. Hamas is a terrorist organization.
But lawyers for Khalil say he did nothing wrong.
They're not even alleging that he's any kind of risk to national security, that he's engaged in any crime. They're not even doing that. They're simply saying that they don't like his opinions.
Now, all these questions are still being litigated in court, and it's possible we could see them being hashed out right here in Louisiana in the coming weeks. For WAFB 9 News, I'm Liam Combs.
Thank you, Liam.